welcome to stay here.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's a good option. Yeah. Probably. Let's see. Let's stop over there. Chegou, filha. Tá? Vou começar. Ó, já cheguei. Vou fazer aquela página inicial aqui, tá? Oh, a important thing. So just here, there is many hostels, and so it's a good option to, yes.
And it's a little bit more calm than in Copacabana.
Yes,
right?
exactly. And then there are some places that they rent for parties, like this
Nice.
one. Yeah.
And then when you're drunk, you still jump in the water, isn't it? Okay.
Oh, look, beautiful bird. And the nature, they garbage, right? And then many NGOs, they came to clean with many people together, like volunteers.
Yeah.
And so there is the regular boat,
Yeah.
like they do the same line always, and there is this kind of, it's like the Uber. You got it? And this one, they are more expensive, and so the regular, I think R$1.50 or R$2, and this one's something like 5.
For what?
R$5.
For what?
For the Uber, for the faster one. You got it? Yes. And then, of course, who live here, they have a discount. You got it? They pay a little bit less. They can pay per month. Depends of the, how can I say maré in English? The level of the water. It depends. They came out to take some. Yes, every day in the morning. That's why we aquilo tá diferente. Oh, come on, they smell. Look, this is the natural smell of the mangrove. But of course, here is a little bit worse because of the bad things. But come on, today is not so bad.
It's fine.
Oh, come on.
No problem.
A big head here. Oh, this one is big.
One swimming pool.
Oh my God.
Bigger, slightly.
Já pode pra trás. Oh.
tamanho da pata daquele lá atrás.
Blue. Can you see?
No.
Yeah.
Blue crabs over in front of us.
Okay. No, still can see. Sorry.
Tá conseguindo vê-lo? Gigantão.
Lá atrás. And sometimes they are super close with the capybaras. No problem. Yes, no problem. Between them. See you. Different kind of birds, right? They had everything inside. You can practice all of sports, jiu-jitsu, tennis, football, volleyball, everything. Sleeping. A big one. Look, close to the... Look, over there. Can you see?
Yeah.
So they are social, so they live in groups.
Yeah.
Big groups. 20, 30. Yes.
Oh, there.
These small, the babies.
Another one.
Look. It's like a big mouse.
Good. Yo, look at you.
Super beautiful. Caraca, que pássaro grandão.
Só fome.
Muito grande esse. Parecendo um gibão, isso aí desenvolveu bem, tá bem alimentado. Sleeping all time.
It's hard to notice.
This is the main street of the island. Drugstore, market, the bakery. Só fica aqui pra ganhar carinho. I love pets. Yeah, good. Yes, good opportunity.
Gente, eu tô torrando. Eu puxo, levantar bem alto pra você.
I started practice jiu-jitsu right here. My first match.
So you've been living there? It's quite nice. Some of the buildings are really cool to live. Yeah, good idea.
Mini bar.
Maybe by ball. Bars are always good. There is one good bar. Actually, but one British, one Irish in the studio. In Lapa. You're going on Friday, no?
Bahia is a state in the northwest. There were our first capital, and these things, it's from the Catholic Church. There is a traditional Catholic church, and a traditional scent.
Yeah.
And then at this church they have these things there. It's super traditional. If you look at this, you know, it's from Bahia.
Oh, okay.
Oh my God, man. Another one. Yeah, here is pitbull. The small one you say, no?
I'm hoping. Perfect clowns.
Oh my God, insane, you know.
Eu tô aqui à tarde também, no preço que você falar, a gente... Eu tenho que ver porque chegou só um pouco pra mim. Entendi, eu tenho que comprar.
Hello.
Não deixa atrapalhar também não, mano. Deixa atrapalhar.
Oh my God. I don't want to disturb you.
Eu precisava botar balcão, vou botar mais parado de trabalho. Aí, deixa eu ver direito.
Almost died.
Demorou, tá? Agora.
How can I say, when they go to the groceries or they are doing some, they're moving, they use this. And you can rent the calm.
I like this style, like small houses, you know, like very cozy.
Yeah. Graffitis everywhere. Art. Look at this. Yes, yes. Everywhere. Yes. Problem.
Adios. It's not a professional license, it's a tip.
Appointment. That's why I need to go.
Okay, fair enough, no problem.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Very good, thank you, mate.
No problem. Welcome.